Assalamualaikum and welcome to Ramadan recipes. We're going to be making some delicious dishes for iftar and for sehri. So there'll be desserts and also savoury dishes as well. But today we're going to be making Chitranna rice, and that's something from South India. It's packed with flavour, full of zest, full of lemony flavours, and it's something that's really easy to prepare. For the ingredients, we're going to be using crushed chilli, turmeric, ginger, lemon juice, zest of a lime, mustard seeds, some salt, some pre-cooked rice, some peanuts, and also some cooking coconut oil. So for the Chitranna rice, I'm going to be starting with a pan. So now we're going to be adding the lemon juice. So you add that in gently. Give it a quick stir. Again, on a low heat still. And then what you would do is add the cooked rice. So we add that in gradually. And it needs to be of a certain texture where it's not overcooked, but it's also able to be separated. So spread it across the pan, mix it together so it's well combined. You're trying to make sure there's no whiteness left in the rice itself and that the mustard seeds come through. But you can see that it's studded with peanuts as well. So again, if you're not using peanuts, you can always use other ingredients as well instead of peanuts. But I would recommend avoiding nuts altogether if you are allergic. And also advising you to actually use other seeds instead of nuts. So you can use pomegranate seeds instead of nuts, which is great for nutritional value. And if you have some sticking on the sides, make sure that you get the mustard seeds out of the sides so they don't actually scald. And what you have here is a really quick and easy rice dish that's full of flavour, full of zest, and can be used with any sort of fish or chicken dish. So the nutritional value of Chitranna rice is actually quite high. You've got the lemon juice and the lime zest, and they're packed with vitamin C and also with antioxidants, which are really, really great at keeping you young. The other thing it also has is the fibre from the rice, and that really keeps you full throughout the day. So while you're fasting during Ramadan, it stops you feeling hungry. You've also got the antioxidants and the volatile oils from the mustard seeds. They're brilliant for your body and also for keeping you healthy in the long run. So here's a recap of making Chitranna rice and the ingredients you need for that. So let's look at the instructions for making Chitranna rice. Cook the rice as per the packet instructions or as you would cook it normally. Heat an oil in a separate pan, add the mustard seeds and cook until they pop. Add the other ingredients including the chilli, the ginger, the lime zest or curry leaves, peanuts and turmeric, and cook until the peanuts are lightly roasted. If you're using peanuts, make sure you're not allergic to them. If you are allergic, then avoid the peanuts altogether. And add the lemon juice and zest, and then stir the cooked rice through so that it's well blended. So I hope you've enjoyed making the Chitranna rice today. It's a really simple dish, easy to make, perfect for Ramadan. It's something that you can have during the evening that's really light and also goes with so many other dishes during your iftar. And I hope you have a happy Ramadan. So join me next time for more recipes.